In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact quickly and easily. Connecting it to the My Home app lets you control the purifier from anywhere. First, plug in your Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact and turn it on. Next, download and open the My Home app on your smartphone. Sign in or create an account if you don't have one yet. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Then search for Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact in the device list and select it. Follow the app's instructions to put your purifier into pairing mode. Usually, you need to press and hold the power button until the Wi-Fi indicator starts blinking. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, since the purifier only supports this frequency. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait a moment while the app connects to your air purifier. Once connected, you'll see it listed in the app and can start controlling it remotely. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more smart home tutorials.